right, Wayne. I know you said you were just going to shop around and look, but yep, I'm your true car dealer, and we do have that beautiful white diamond pearl black interior LX Civic right here. I'd love to go over the options and features with you. Make sure that we're looking at the right budget. Make sure that the car is fitting that budget as well. Give me a call back when you get a chance. I know you had to take a call immediately when we figured out where we need to purchase or if you decide to purchase. 205-519-1710. That's a direct line to me. I'm here at Tameron Honda, and I guarantee when you get here, you're going to love the way you're treated. Bye.